Hello and welcome to Tulle Fashion. Today we're going to be making a double bow. What you will need is a piece of netting or tulle, however you want to call it, 31 inches long, which is 79 centimetres by 60 centimetres, which is 23.5 inches. You need some pieces of ribbon. Doesn't really matter how long they are, as long as you can tie them. Some clips, that's just for holding it in place, but it's not necessary. And a piece of black tulle or whatever colour you want to use, double the size of this. So this is folded double. I think it's a little bit wider. So that's folded double. Actually it's a little bit longer as well. So let's measure this. That is 33 inches, which is 84 centimetres by 29 inches, which is 74 centimetres. So let's start with a bigger piece first. I'm just going to lay it out and then fold the sides in to the middle, to the centre, or just a little bit over. Make it nice and neat so there's no creases. I like to do things on the floor. Well, I haven't got a massive table to work on, plus I can show you guys a bit better. Get rid of that. Do the same on the other side. And then you're going to bring each side into the centre, which was there. You can see the crease. So a little bit over. Can be a few inches over because you're going to have quite a lot of excess. And then that one a little bit over the centre. Actually, I'm going to do a little bit more. And then fold it in the middle. Hope that's, and sort of zigzag it in. Do the same on the other side, or scrunch it, whatever you find easiest. There you go, that's the big bow. I'm just going to secure that with a clip. Actually a clip on both sides. I'm sorry about the lighting, I'm doing this late at night, so I've not got the natural lighting, but I hope you can see. So I'm going to use my ribbon. Just tie that in the middle. Nice and tight. Double knot it. There you go, and you can take the clips out. So that's your first bow. Now I'm going to do the same for the red one. Fold in the sides. To the centre, a little bit over, nice and neat. That's a little bit too far over. So scrunch it up. I'll get my clips again. And the bit with the edges is the back. Now you could use the same ribbon so that it's attached to that. I'm just going to use a separate ribbon. There's the raw edge, isn't it? Or is that the side? No, this was the raw edge. Tie it in the middle. Double knot. Take your clips out, and then we can stick it on this one. Obviously you can add another one, you can add as many layers as you want. and then previous times I've stuck them on the door, but some people use them as hair bows, whatever you like. Maybe not this big for a hair bow. And there we go. If you'd like to see how I attach it to a door, then please do look at my other video that I've done with ribbon to attach the door bow. I'll link that in the video. I hope you liked this tutorial, and hopefully you'll be back for more. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.